Okay, so most of you have already figured out that there's more to the story than the video that you saw. Here's what you don't know. The Meade County Sheriff's Office incarcerated and held me for a year from 2008 to 2009 and refused to give me proper medical treatment. I have an aggressive form of relapsing multiple sclerosis. And because of that, and because I wasn't receiving treatment, I'm no longer able to work. So I'm disabled. Uh, Now, I've complained and wrote letters and called and talked to every one of my senators, every one of my congressmen. I called Pierre, the state capital here in South Dakota. I called them. I talked to the state attorney general's office. DCI hung up on me. I called the FBI. I've called everyone. No one wants to do anything about these acts of atrocity against the taxpayer. Basically, what it all boils down to is that this is a situation where these corrupt actions are no different than the mafia, and they should be charged with racketeering charges because all they're doing is using fear and intimidation to extort money from you, the people, who pay their salaries. And so it should be racketeering charges, absolutely, 110%. Whenever you violate the law for your own personal financial gain, or for the gain of other people, it should be racketeering charges, period. But I have a rudimentary knowledge of law, and I don't have I don't have the best resources or anything. Like I said, I'm disabled. I make $700 a month. And I have a small phone with a 16 gig hard drive, and that's it. So, but I'm going to start investigating the investigators the same as they investigate us and put together cases. And if nothing else, I'll give it to the people. And so hopefully, some people will see this and they'll decide to lend their knowledge or their help in any way they can. But basically, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start investigating the investigators. We don't have an internal affairs in South Dakota. In fact, I'm not even sure that there's really an internal affairs anywhere in the country. But we definitely don't have it here in South Dakota. So that's kind of what I want to do is try to be the internal affairs and hold them accountable as best we can. Obviously, I can't prosecute them in criminal law in a criminal court, but maybe we can get some legal actions. Anyway, if you want to help or you want to get involved or something like that, please let me know in the comments. And I'm new to all this stuff, and I'm not very technically advanced, so you guys will have to bear with me because I'm learning as I go, and I really don't know what I'm doing. So, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the last video, and, well, not really enjoyed it, but I hope you saw the video and understand what's going on.